my channel. My name is Christina and this is Kristina's Crafts. I have a DIY in store for you today and I can't wait to get to it. So I'm already in my craft room, so let's go. Hi everybody, welcome. For this craft, I am going to be using one of these frames that I got from Dollar Tree. I'm going to be using some gray metallic paper that I got, and also these rose stickers that I got from Dollar Tree. Okay, so the very first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Waverly ink paint, and I am going to paint this whole thing black. So as you can see, the front is already black, but I'm going to paint over it so it has a nice finish. And then I'm going to get on the insides of all of this and then the outside. So all in here, all this brown that's showing. Okay. So I forgot while I was painting this, I need to take this clip off of here. So I'm just going to take my little screwdriver here and take that clip off. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to paint over it. I might actually have to sand it down just a tad bit. Let me grab a... kind of sticking out a little bit. Grab a different sander. There we go. Good thing I did this before I painted the whole front. Alright, and then I should be able to just paint over that little hole, and I don't think you'll even see it. And get a little stuff in there. Well, there's going to be a hole, but I'm just going to fill it in with paint as much as I can, and I think it'll look fine. Okay, so now I am going to cut out my paper. I am going to, this is going to have to get cut out separately because I have this little thing on here, and I don't want to take that off of there. So I'm just going to start cutting pieces of my paper here. This is going to go on the back of my sign here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut out the paper, not like super great or anything, and I am going to take my Mod Podge and put it on my sign here and then lay my paper on there. I was going to hot glue it, but I just don't know how well that's gonna work. So just take in my Mod Podge. Yeah, my brush is really stiff. I must have used Mod Podge on it before and didn't get it very clean because my bristles are like super hard. So just sticking some Mod Podge on here, and then I am going to stick my paper on there. And then I am going to hold it for a little while until it dries. And it's going to look really cute. So let me go ahead and get all of this cut out and get all my holes covered. Okay, so I'm starting to think that maybe the Mod Podge isn't working the best. So I'm just going to take a little bit of like precaution here, and I'm going to take some masking tape and stick it on my paper on the back. I wanted the back to look somewhat decent, but I just don't think it's going to work out that way. So I'm going to take some masking tape on here, and then I am going to cut out around the frame. And then whatever's not sticking down, like I see some of this isn't sticking down here very good, I am going to put some more Mod Podge on there once I get some of this extra off of here. So this is what it is looking like so far. And yeah, I got a little bit of Mod Podge up in the corner, so I'm going to have to touch that up. But I am going to grab my X-Acto knife here, and then I need to grab my cutting board, And I am going to go ahead and start cutting the extra paper off of here. Just like that. I did rip that one a little bit. It's kind of hard because I can't lay it flat because of the frame thing. So I'm just doing my best here. It's like super, super duper windy out right now. And it's like, I think it's like 40 degrees or something out. I don't know, maybe the temperature dropped now, but it was like freezing. It was like in, you know, single digits this past beginning of the week and end of last week. And now it's like warm out, and today it was raining. But yeah, it's like super windy. I can just hear that wind howling out there. All right, almost done. I might have to touch up some of this. Yeah, see, that's just not holding very good. But I think if I put a little bit more Mod Podge on there, it'll be okay. But so far it's looking good. I got a little bit of glue, a little too much Mod Podge in some of the corners here, but I think, I mean, it's supposed to dry clear, so I guess we'll see how it turns out. So I'm actually going to grab my Mod Podge here and stick some more glue on the corners that are not sticking down. And then I'm going to have to hold that on there till it dries. I probably should have just used hot glue. It probably would have worked out just fine. And then once I get all that glued down, I'm going to take my black paint and I'm just going to touch up all the little crappy spots, I guess you could call them, that I have. It's time to finish this one up. So I have my stickers here, and I am just trying to figure out exactly where I'm going to put them. And I'm thinking like this. And then I sat and I thought for a while about what I was going to put on the top of this, because it's kind of just plain. And I went through all my ribbon and I came up with, I think what's going to look best is a purple ribbon. So I made myself a little bow here, and that's going to go up here and cover the hole up there. So stick a little hot glue on there. And I think, let's just see here. Try to make these kind of the same. No, a little shorter. Yeah, I think that looks pretty good. The top of it looked a little plain, but I definitely think the ribbon helps. I don't know. I think it looks kind of cute. You'll have to let me know what you think. I don't really think I want to put anything else on there. I think that's pretty much going to be about it. So there we go. That's it. It's all done. It's just going to sit up in my house somewhere. I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial, and I really like it if you like the video and subscribe to my channel. And take care. Thanks for watching. Bye.